Hello and welcome to week 42 of our YouTube videos. We've had a really strong few weeks, and it's just wonderful to see the system performing in its true fashion. And we are off to another nice start here with 12 wins, 0 losses, and we are circa sitting at just 10%. Now we just suddenly hit an equity stop and another loss, which is fine. So we've just, in a short space of time there, from Monday to Tuesday, we've dropped down to circa 2, 3, 5%. We just managed to gain some nice recovery there. But what I wanted to see is that what happened there is we had another 2, now that's 3, now 4 equity stops. So we're now minus. Only on a Tuesday, we're now sitting at minus 10 worth of P&L, where it automatically stops out, but the account is still positive by 6.5%. And we're only Tuesday. So a lot of trades are getting placed, and the recovery is really nice. So now it's coming on to 22 wins and 12 losses. And now 5 equity stops, so now nearly at 12.5, and we're still sitting at 9% profit, which is now over, even for Wednesday, for middle of the week, we're sitting at over 24% in total, with a 9% net profit. So as I mentioned in our last YouTube videos, it's always great just to explain what we're up to. We've got some really interactive things going on our social media channels, so make sure you're following us on Instagram, YouTube and Telegram. Telegram's where we're going to be our most active. We will be launching, soon we will be launching a Discord community, where we'll be even more active, where that's going to be promoting quite a lot of our educational bits and pieces and things. And if you've not had a chance yet, then please go on to our education or hub, and you can really understand what we offer there. And it's some really great stuff, and it's all for free. And I think that's what it's all about. It's about educating all of our potential customers or existing customers of what we can offer and gain a better insight and understanding of the markets and the financial literature of what we can offer. So we're moving along nicely. Thursday's been really solid. Now into Friday, we're now sitting at 6 equity stops. So now at minus 15%, but we're up 12.45%, with a total drawdown of minus 8.58%. So this week has just been utterly fantastic. Truly, really seeing the recovery of what the system can do, with the minus, on the equities of 6, but we are still sitting at 12.45%. Coming along to the end of the trading day now. This week finishes off really solid, opening the last few orders of the day, tipping into 17% now. Some small losses, just to finish off the end of the week there, and we total finish off with 41 buys, 4 sales, and a total 6 equity stops. So that is still the minus 15, but we finished the week on 14.85%. So nearly 28.84%, and apologies, 8.84% is just fantastic. So again, what this is all about is for you to really, really gain confidence and reassurance of how solid the recovery is on when we have our losses, which is just part of the game. So thank you very much for listening, and we will see you next week. Thanks.